Thanks, Mr. Ram, to be part of this session.
Okay, thank you, sir.
From you,
I want to ask you some questions to you, sir, about English. What do you think about the English, sir?
so I think nothing about English. English is just a language. As we speak Hindi, as it this is also. But the main problem is we people make it more high and fine and all. This is nothing actually. It's just a language. We
Sir, what are the rules that can be helped to learn English very easy?
first of all, I make it clear. There are many rules, but the thing is, language can be learned by listening, writing, and speaking.
Yes.
This is the method of learning any language, right? As we people speak Hindi, Hindi actually we have never gone any institutions or any particular place to learn this, right? As it is, English can be learned.
Definitely, sir. What is the difference, sir, English subject and the English language, sir?
Well, subject is just about knowledge, right? I mean knowledge, and language. Language to express our thoughts to the people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And it means we can learn and understand all the subjects by learning this language. It means if the students are learning spoken English, it means with the help of learning spoken, they can understand easily all the English written subject.
Yeah, exactly. See,
Like that, they are in English medium.
yeah,
They can easily understand.
yeah.
Is it right?
The thing is only to understand something needs to learn this language. And one more thing is there. If you are going somewhere and where people are not aware of Hindi, then you can go for English language.
Okay.
That is a kind of path or a kind of what is actually help that can make you communicate to the people.
Okay, sir. Which kind of and what suggestion do you want to give the students if they are learning spoken English?
Well, if you are going for learning language, I mean English, so you must do practices daily and don't afraid of speaking to the people because without practicing, not possible to learn this language, right? And the next thing is that if you are having a tutor, so you must obey him or her. Without obeying any particular person, you can't because you are not aware of this language that what can be done, and your tutor knows everything what to do and what not to do, and how to and how not to. Right?
Absolutely.
This thing is that. So that's why you must follow the person you are learning from.
Why the students leave the classes when they start with the full confidence? They start
Actually-
classes with full confidence, and after 2 or 3 months, they feel very lazy and not very confident. What may be the biggest reason behind this?
What I feel about it, that is in the beginning of the class, they are in full. Next thing is that actually in learning what happened now is initially what only teacher teaches
Yeah.
that what the things are and what.
Yes,
In
absolutely.
the second phase is like now your turn to do something.
That's-
When the turn comes to the students, they people what? Move back.
That's absolutely
They
right.
take steps to back. That's why this is the big problem. The students leave the classes and they do not go for the next level.
Absolutely right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Right?
Yeah.
But after or in between the class, they feel very less confident and all. Why is it so? Actually, in starting, we people feel with everything and everybody very confident and very positive about. But after that, what happens? They people have less interest with the things, with the people and all, and next level.
Absolutely right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.